Folks, I'm going to make a PSA here. Like I said, we're going to have short videos for a little bit. Was running these 6011s, the 332nd from Vulcan on a welder. Well, I didn't want to drag out the extension cord, so I just put my 1800 watt predator generator on it, thinking, oh yeah, if I run it down to 40 amps, you know, I'm gonna be well below what it can do. Okay, folks, I have a iridium fine wire spark plug in here, so you know there's not much better I can do. Okay, I was running a TIG 200 and just the standard welding cables that it comes with. The only difference that I do is I put the Lenco stinger on because I prefer the Lencos because they're thicker around, so when you got a gloved hand, they would work a heck of a lot better. But back to the generator. No, it ain't gonna do it. And I've had my 140 T hooked to this, and all you're gonna do is gumball with it. So no, out of the box, these 1800s are not gonna pull enough wattage for any welding operation. So go to the next size up. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.